Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best travel tips and destinations. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 most luxurious hotels in the world, according to the Reader's Choice Awards 2023 by Condé Nast Traveler. These are the hotels that offer the ultimate in comfort, service, and style, and where you can experience the finest hospitality and amenities. Let's get started. Number 10. The Ritz-Carlton, San Francisco. The first hotel on our list is the Ritz-Carlton, San Francisco, a historic landmark that dates back to 1909. This elegant hotel is located on Nob Hill, one of the city's most prestigious neighborhoods, and offers stunning views of the bay and the skyline. The rooms and suites are decorated in a classic style, with plush bedding, marble bathrooms, and modern technology. The hotel also features a spa, a fitness center, and a restaurant that serves Californian cuisine with a French twist. Number 9. Four Seasons Hotel Chicago. Next up is Four Seasons Hotel Chicago, a tranquil and refined hotel that towers over Lake Michigan. This hotel is located on the Magnificent Mile, close to some of the city's best attractions, shopping, and dining. The rooms and suites are spacious and elegant, with sweeping views of the lake or the city. The hotel also boasts an indoor pool, a spa, a fitness center, and a restaurant that serves contemporary American cuisine. Whether you're visiting Chicago for business or pleasure, Four Seasons Hotel Chicago will make you feel like a local in luxury. Number 8. Hotel d'Angleterre Geneva. The 8th hotel on our list is Hotel d'Angleterre Geneva, a family-run boutique hotel that sits on the banks of Lake Geneva. This hotel was built in 1872 and has hosted many famous guests, including royalty, celebrities, and politicians. The rooms and suites are individually designed and furnished with antiques, artworks, and fabrics. The hotel also features a spa, a fitness center, and a restaurant that serves French cuisine with a British touch. Number 7. Ashford Castle. The 7th hotel on our list is Ashford Castle, a stunning castle that dates back to 1228 and is set on 350 acres of land on the shores of Loch Corrib in Ireland. This hotel is a popular destination for weddings and other special events, as well as for travelers who want to experience the Irish countryside. The rooms and suites are decorated in a traditional style, with antique furniture, fireplaces, and canopy beds. The hotel also offers a range of activities, from golfing to falconry to fishing. Number 6. Belmond Copacabana Palace. The 6th hotel on our list is Belmond Copacabana Palace, a legendary hotel that overlooks the famous Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro. This hotel was built in 1923 and has been a symbol of glamour and sophistication ever since. The rooms and suites are spacious and elegant, with views of the ocean or the city. The hotel also features 2 pools, a spa, a fitness center, and several restaurants that serve Brazilian and international cuisine. Number 5. Amant Sveti Stefan. The 5th hotel on our list is Amant Sveti Stefan, a unique hotel that occupies an entire island off the coast of Montenegro. This hotel was once a fortified village dating back to the 15th century and has been restored to preserve its historic charm. The rooms and suites are located in former fishermen's cottages and have views of the sea or the gardens. The hotel also features 2 pools, a spa, a fitness center, and several restaurants that serve Mediterranean cuisine with local ingredients. Number 4. Mandarin Oriental Prague. The 4th hotel on our list is Mandarin Oriental Prague, a luxurious hotel that occupies a former monastery dating back to the 14th century in Prague's historic district. This hotel blends contemporary design with original architectural features such as vaulted ceilings, frescoes, and archways. The rooms and suites are elegant and comfortable, with views of the city or the courtyard. The hotel also features a spa, a fitness center, and a restaurant that serves Asian and European cuisine. If you're looking for a hotel that will make you feel like you're in a fairy tale in Prague, Mandarin Oriental Prague is the one for you. Number 3. Taj Lake Palace. The 3rd hotel on our list is Taj Lake Palace, a magnificent hotel that floats on Lake Pichola in Udaipur, India. This hotel was built in 1746 as a summer palace for the Maharana and has been converted into a luxury hotel that offers a royal experience. The rooms and suites are decorated in a traditional style, with ornate furniture, paintings, and fabrics. The hotel also features a pool, a spa, a fitness center, and several restaurants that serve Indian and international cuisine. Number 2. At number 2 is Giraffe Manor. Giraffe Manor is a boutique hotel located in the Lang'ata suburb of Nairobi, Kenya. It is owned and operated by the Safari Collection and offers 12 individually decorated rooms that provide first-class comfort and the feeling of staying in an elegant family home. The hotel is set in a leafy suburb of Nairobi, and the charming herd of resident Rothschilds giraffes roam the surrounding sanctuary. Guests can have unique, once-in-a-lifetime encounters with these giraffes over breakfast and afternoon tea when they can be fed by hand. Number 1. Hotel de Crillon, a Rosewood hotel. And finally, the number 1 hotel on our list is Hotel de Crillon, a Rosewood hotel, a legendary hotel that occupies an 18th-century palace on the Place de la Concorde in Paris. This hotel is one of the most iconic landmarks of the city and has been recently renovated to enhance its grandeur and elegance. The rooms and suites are exquisite and luxurious, with views of the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre. The hotel also features a pool, a spa, a fitness center, and several restaurants that serve French and international cuisine. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Also, let me know in the comments which of these hotels you would like to visit, or if you have any other recommendations for luxury hotels around the world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.